Another AI code editor? That's what I thought too. Until I found out this one was just acquired by Wix for $80 million. I mean, seriously? $80 million for another web-based code editor? That blew my mind. So I decided to try it myself, and honestly, it might just be different from anything else out there. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love exploring new AI tools and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, let's see what Base 44 is really about. Getting started is simple. Just search for Base 44 or I will give the link in the description. Here, click on the first link and this is the home page. Click Start Building and sign up with your Google account. The free plan gives you 25 credits, more than enough to actually build and test a project before deciding if you want to upgrade. At first glance, the homepage looks familiar, kind of like Bolt or Lovable, but there are some nice touches I immediately noticed. You get pre-written app ideas by category. For example, you can pick personal finance or health and wellness, and it automatically fills in a starting prompt for you. Super handy for beginners. There's also a style picker. So even if you don't know design, you can choose any design style for here. You can choose something like claymorphism and it adds it directly into your project. So for my test, I will choose neo-brutalism style. This looks cool. Just click on add style instructions and here we will type the prompt. I'm going to build a PDF tool app. Build a PDF tool app with all PDF tools and click on send. I have given a basic prompt. Base 44 started building and honestly the interface felt pretty smooth. On the left side you can watch it check off tasks as it builds the app. On the right side you see a live preview of your project and here you can see discuss mode. You can chat about your project with AI and next from here you can attach files and then click on settings icon and you will see some more options like AI model. You can choose AI model as you like or leave it default. Next option is AI control. You can give custom instructions to AI from here. And as you see, the AI is working and creating files and writing the code. Let's wait for a minute. I think I got an error. And as you see, it automatically detected the error and started fixing it. And done. The build is complete. As you see, it has built different tools for PDF. This UI looks cool and the functionality is also perfectly working. And here just click on dashboard. Unlike Bolt or Lovable, where you usually need Supabase or Neon, Base 44 gives you a fully integrated database. All your app's data like user info is stored right there in the platform. It also builds an admin panel by default. I could manage users, assign roles, and see all my app's data tables without writing backend code. There's even user analytics, domain connection options, and auto-generated APIs. So if you want to connect your app with another service or a mobile front end, you can. From here, you can share the web app, just copy the link and paste in any browser. And as you see, it has also created a working Google sign-up page. My first impression is that Base 44 feels like a cross between Lovable Bolt, which makes total sense because Wix bought them. It's like an all-in-one platform aimed at people who don't want to deal with setting up databases or backends. And honestly, the integration is pretty slick. I didn't have to touch Supabase, Firebase, or any external service. Everything was ready to go: users, database, admin, analytics. Of course, there's a catch. Because everything is integrated, you're logged into their ecosystem. On the free plan, you can't even connect your own domain. And if you ever want to move your app outside Base 44, it's not super clear how easy that would be. Yes, GitHub export looks promising, but I'm not sure yet how well the database side transfers. So it really depends on your needs. If you're a beginner and just want to launch something fast, this is amazing. If you want complete control and self-hosting, it might not be the right fit. Even with its limitations, Wix paid $80 million for Base 44. It's more than just an AI code editor, it's an instant app platform with backend, frontend, and admin all rolled into one. Base 44 is impressive. If you're new to coding or you just want to get an MVP live without setting up tons of services, it's definitely worth checking out. And that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments, would you use Base 44 yourself or do you prefer more control over your apps? If you want to maximize your research with AI, check out the video on your screen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.